So when your axles go bad on your Subaru, how much does it cost to have a competent mechanic replace them? Parts plus labor. I've been putting this off for a couple of years because I figured it would be ridiculously expensive. And there's people who've made how-to videos on YouTube that make it look semi-easy. So you might be tempted to do it yourself as well. I went ahead and had a mechanic do it. You can see the boots broken there. So I definitely needed to get that replaced because there was dirt and crud getting in there and they were getting crunchy. So at AutoZone, it's $81.49 or $169.99 if you want the heavy duty one. And now when I went to the mechanic.
All right, so to replace two front axles, you got $200 in labor and $260 in parts, $26.65 in tax for the government, equals $486.63 or 5, whatever that is, 65. So just under $500 to replace both axles on a Subaru.
So I thought that was a reasonable price to pay for two axles. I guess divide that by two if you just have one bad axle, and there is a look at the beautiful new axle in action.